Okay, here we go then with the second instalment of the Walking Dead bike. Basically we've had the tank delivered. I've done all the modifications on the tank that we need and pre-fitted it to the bike. And now what we're going to do is we need to bring this back to completely back to bare metal. So we're going to nitromorse it with paint strippers. It's the easiest way. I'm going to just scrub it off first with some coarse sandpaper. That will help the nitromorse get into the paint quicker, basically. Okay, so here we go. About do it. Nitromorse has now been on there for quite a few hours. It looks pretty crusty now, so I think we're ready to scrape off and see if we'll go back down to bare metal. Practically stripped all the paint off of the tank and we've come up against a problem. This being an original XS650 tank, it had some filler in it as we've stripped the paint off, and on getting rid of the filler we've uncovered that it was originally a badged tank. Of course we've got to have a smooth metal finish on this, so the problem is now we've got to fill that up with weld basically and then grind it back down. So everything's fixable. What the aim is at the minute is what we're trying to do is just build the weld up, fill the holes, and then we'll grind that back with a flat disc and then maybe go over it again a couple of times just to build it back up so it blends in and looks like that. Right, after all that hard work of stripping the paint off the tank, it's finally finished. We've treated it with top secret special effects to look what I would consider to be really damn close to the effect that they've got on the tank on the actual Walking Dead bike. So there you go. The next thing, it's now mounted to the bike as well, so that's it. That's in its finished position, so that's going to be good. The next thing we've got to do now is we're going to cut the back of the frame. We're going to work on the seat. We're going to make the seat hoop and put the seat hoop on. and basically just work on this section. But that's going to be in the next video, so make sure you watch.